I'm Simple Wu from Hangzhou Lansing Machinery. Now, we are in our factory. This is our Chinese name, Taizhou Guanglong. We have two factories in Taizhou. One is in Xiamen and one is in another place. We have been producing the wire strapper machine and copper wire machine since 2007. We are the manufacturer. Now let's follow me to visit our factory. As you can see, our workers are packing the wooden box. This box is for Chinese customers, and this box is for the customers from abroad, because we needed to carry this machine on the sea, and it must be very strong. Okay, and it's for this packing, because for Chinese customer they just unpack. We just want they to unpack the machine easily, so we chose this packaging. As you can see here, this is our parts on our wire strap machine, and our workers are doing this. And you can see this folding the machine like this. First one side, then another side. So you see? Okay, now you can see there are many boxes. These are ready for shipping to the abroad. Now I will show you the knives of our wire strap machine. You see? It's very clean and very sharp. And as you can see, our workers use our machine to make it sharper, so it will cut the wire more quickly and strongly. As you can see, this is also the parts of our wire strap machine. You can see here, there are many parts here. We make all the parts by ourselves. You can see our workers are working on our machine. As you can see, we make all the parts by ourselves, and during the machine production, we also pay attention to the worker safety. The worker wears special glasses to protect the eyes from hurt, because the light is very bright, okay? As you can see, this machine is in blue color already, and this machine has no color white. And these machines are ready for colored. And this is the finished machines that we have. They are ready for packing. You can see this is our factory. We are the manufacturer, and we will give you the factory price. Welcome to visit our factory in Taizhou. Thank you.